Hi, I'm Kevin here at Eurotek OKC. I've got a surprise for you today. I've got a bike, or two bikes, and they have style and substance, and they have sensation and sensibility. And they are the BMW F900R and the F900XR. To enhance the style, BMW has shortened the exhaust. They've added the TFT. The F900R has a more aggressive lean-in style with your foot pegs back and you're more leaned in to your riding position. The XR is more tour-oriented by having the windscreen, by having a more linear handlebar, and being able to sit more in a comfortable, natural riding triangle. The substance change in the F900 is it's now up from 800 cc's to now 895 cc's. It's now a sporty 99 horsepower. To find out more about the F900 series, look at our website, www.eurotek-okc.com, or give us a call, 405-948-4000.